the top coin request, I do a little post on X. I cover some of that stuff. I also let you guys know what we are in, me and my guys, me and my people. In addition to that, we do a Bitcoin market update. So we're going to talk about some of the top AI agents, Bitcoin, cover the weekly close, all of that stuff. As always, I am very grateful for you guys to be here. Make sure you smash a like, smash a like, smash a like. Those of that, you know, born and raised Los Angeles County, me and my daughter were safe. Everything is okay. However, I will say, 2 people were caught in 2 separate areas. One was a mile radius of my house, and the other was, I believe, a 10-mile radius closer to my sister. People that were deliberately setting. So that part that you're seeing that's happening in LA, 100% real, 100% real. So we're just taking precautions over here, watching and whatnot. I'm pretty much on high alert and everything. So got a go bag. Me and my daughter are safe. Again, thank you so much to all of the channel members who have been donating and spreading, reposting different things like that. If you're local, I know that they're looking for volunteers to Santa Anita Racetrack and the Rose Bowl. They need people to essentially kind of help sort. I'm pretty and then I want to say Chef Gruel in their restaurant, Calico Fish House or Calico Fish in Huntington Beach. They're still accepting donations. Double check with that. You can send Amazon orders to help people that have been impacted and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get to work. We're going to talk about crypto. Without crypto, I want to be able to have this amazing platform to share this information, and in addition to be able to donate the way I've been donating. So I'm very blessed to do so. But let's go ahead and get you guys some crypto alpha, get you a bag so you can make as much money as ethically as possible. Let's get into it. Make sure y'all smash a like too. So first and foremost, a lot of the AI agent coins have been down, like AI 16Z, virtual, etc. And me personally, this is a buying opportunity for me. As you guys know, we called and we started talking about AI 16Z. Shout out to Raider at around $20 million market cap. It went up like crazy, and we did really well on that. And we've also talked about some of the other different coins affiliated with that. So I'll get to those in a minute because we got into some of those. So me personally, that's a buying opportunity. Down 40%, et cetera. A lot of the coins are down right now on the weekly too. And I think that's because of the anticipation of getting pro-crypto folks into office. So we'll talk a little bit more about that on Monday. We're going to be covering that like crazy. Trump is going to take office January 20th. Gary Gensler will be stepping down as well. So that's good. That's positive. We're going to have a pro-crypto Congress. Congress's job is essentially to make rules. So it's good. In addition to that, I'll talk about it more tomorrow. I'll just give you guys a basic price action, the nitty gritty, the titty gritty, nitty gritty. All right. Also, I haven't brushed my hair. I've just been chilling in bed, kind of watching, seeing what's going on, and anything. So let's go ahead and get into Bitcoin. So taking a look at Bitcoin, we're going to go to the weekly. Right now, we're kind of in a consolidation area between about $89,000 and really like 108. So one of the things I will say is that it's an even tighter consolidation, but I just kind of want to show you guys this pattern over here. We had a similar pattern that occurred back in February of last year. And then we had a beautiful, massive, big breakout, was that February? March, April? Yeah, February. Sorry, I'm like a little bit like all over the place. It's been really, really stressful out here. So as far as the weekly goes, we opened at $98,000. We're currently trading at $94,000. We got a swing wick high to $102,000 and a swing wick low to $91,000. I was calling for 89. That didn't end up happening, but we'll essentially see what happens. Now, taking a look at the daily over here, daily is just kind of ping-ponging, going back and forth, playing along with these lines, and we are technically in a downtrend in this little bit of a range. I would like to see us break out above 94,000 and then retest 99,000, continue to go up. However, we're kind of just going sideways flat. So I do expect some more consolidation within these ranges here. Taking a look at the 4 hour looks like she wants to pop out, but then we got a little bit of a down. If you want to see my screen, you have to go on YouTube because TikTok doesn't allow me to show my screen. It doesn't push it out. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube anyways, and just in case TikTok goes away, we don't know what's going to happen. Also, with that being said, even if we get a breakout, we still have quite a bit of ways to go. Like, I'm not really going to feel super bullish until we break above and sustain $103,000. So ultimately for Bitcoin, for me, I'm just anticipating more more sideways price action until we get some more, until Trump comes into office and we can see what's happening. Okay, so that'll be that. I think we're just going to continue to go sideways, but I'm not going to get super excited yet until we break above 103,000 and sustain, and then obviously 108 and then 111. Now with Ethereum is doing okay, putting along at about $3,300 and just kind of going sideways. For Ethereum, my important area I would need to see for us would need to be above $3,300 and then continue a grind up, but we kind of almost bottom out about 3,200. Taking a look at the weekly over here, it's a pretty ugly weekly candle, but again, we've been able to stay above $3,000, which is good. It's bullish, positive. Solana trading below $200 again. We have a really ugly weekly candle, which is fine. I'm bullish on Solana long term. Now, if we take a look at the daily, we're just kind of going sideways. We did get a little bit of, we got that breakout that happened on January 2nd. Popped up to about 222, then fell all the way down and back tested the trend line, and you're using it as support. So I think Solana is going to continue to kind of pitter patter and go sideways over here, which again, totally fine with me. SUI made some really nice gains. We saw a weekly high at about $5.38. Good morning, Raider. We're going to be getting into those meme coins you sent me, those AI agents, all that alpha. So thank you again so much. Raider's been doing the heavy lifting for me over here, primarily because I've been a little bombarded with the stuff happening in Southern California, and we'll share those with you in a little bit. Be patient. So again, SUI it looks like it's great. We'll probably drop back down to about $4.52, maybe even back down to $4, which is good. XRP is actually showing incredible strength considering, and it could be because Ripple and MoonPay announced a $50,000 donation of RLUSD to LAFD, which is the Los Angeles Fire Department nonprofit that you guys can donate to. I believe it's a nonprofit to help the firefighters to get the essential equipment they need, which sucks. No one should have to donate anyways, but I'm not going to get into that. You guys already know how I feel. All right, so Ripple. Take a look at her on the weekly. Weekly looks actually good. We have a beautiful green candle. We should close in green for Ripple or XRP, and just as long as we close above 246, higher. So that's looking good. Everything is looking fine. We might back test this area over here. I don't necessarily think so today, but we'll see what happens. I did add some link. I got some link under $20. Earlier in the week, about 10K. I forgot exactly how much it was, but that's what we're looking at over here, which is good, fine, fantastic. We love it. And let me go and check the chat and see if we got any coin requests. Shout out to Mr. Raider, shout out to Antonio, channel member, and also to Iron Lux Trader. If you guys are a channel member, I give you special shout outs and I will give you more attention. Why? Because I can. So big shout out to everybody watching right now. I know it's a random time we're streaming, but this is when I had time this morning. Let's go ahead and get into some of the alpha that Raider had sent me earlier today about everything that's going on. So as far as cryptocurrency market cap, XRP is still number 3. Great, fantastic, fine. We love it. Cardano, 98 cents. A channel members, when you subscribe to my channel and you pay like $4 or something on YouTube, and it's just something to help support me. I pay attention to the TikTok ones, but not as much just because I don't go live there as much. But yeah. Let's go ahead and go to X and take a look at some of the coins that people might have commented here. Some of the meme coins. So dog, I know. Let me go ahead and comment. So a big shout out to Vitora. I'm saying this wrong, so I'm just going to say Mr. V. Mr. V has, if you guys are in the dog ecosystem, which is going to be the Bitcoin runes, they have plushies. They have real plushies. So if you guys are interested in getting that, take a look at that. Mr. V is absolutely amazing. He sent me some of the dog plushies. I just haven't been able to go pick them up because I don't go to the P.O. box all the time, but make sure to support them. They've got the plushies are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Love them. Fantastic. Also too, we'll give dog a shout out because again, I hold dog and I love dog. It is a rune. And as far as dog price action goes, and again, I got this with the airdrop because I bought the runes. Dog's price action is looking a little bit bearish right now. But overall, this is one of my conviction plays, something I will be holding. We're holding the trend line here pretty well at about 0.0056. Hopefully we sustain. If we don't sustain, we've got other support at 502. You paper handed your dog. Oh gosh, golly. I've held on to it. I'm not selling anytime soon. But again, I love what they're doing there. You get all different types of airdrops and things like that. So shout out to dog, shout out to Mr. V for the plushie. And I promise I will be getting it. So we've got some stuff. XDC has been holding up really well. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at that. XDC. This is going to be, we're going to take a look at the Bitfinex chart. Yeah, this looks actually pretty good. Trading at 10 cents on the weekly. Let's see. Yeah, XTC has been doing really well. This pattern right here, this is another good pattern to look for, especially with meme coins and other things. They're called like descending wedges when they go down and then they pop up and they bounce up. We got some nice support here at about 6 cents. And looks like we're getting ready to gear up for another leg up with support at 9 cents over here. Back to the memes. Shout out to Crypto Empress and the amazing donation she made to Chef Gruel. But she's got some base tokens over here, Beats on Base, Base Turbo, Mainnets, Solana, all kinds of stuff. Make sure you guys follow her. She's awesome. HBAR is the only answer. Let's see. Fartcoin. I don't have Fartcoin. Unicorn Farts, that Fart Dust has done well. Let's see. A lot of weird stuff. This one over here. We love Dog on Bitcoin. Let's see. Sea Turtle Adoption Certificate. RBC, a microcap. I have no idea. Munko. This is cute. It looks like a cutie. We'll go and give them a like. I don't know what this is. It looks like it is, buy algo, be Munko. So I think this is an algo coin. This is an algo meme coin. You can find these on Deck Screener. They have an area for algo. So and again, you guys, if you're not on Deck Screener, this is a really great tool to use. It's got a lot of different information here, but it's got all the different chains. Shout out to this project. It looks kind of cute. Munko is cute. It looks like it's an algo project. Shout out to algo. All right, let me show you some of the alpha that Raider had sent me. Let's see. How about utility coins and not coins that most people go broke investing in? Well, AI16Z did incredibly well. So there's that. And also too, if you take profit, is this me? If you've taken profit on anything that we've talked about, you're probably up. So let's go ahead and get into the first one over here. So this one is Modern Stoic. So let me go ahead and read STOIC. So it's an AI and degen tools combined. And it's basically a group of devs that put a lot of things into this. The dev is Affin over here. He's been streaming for 8, 10, sometimes 14 hours straight, and gives public building kind of a new meeting because he's been streaming the stuff. This is his little profile over here, so make sure to check him out. But that's crazy. He's been streaming for that long. I will not stream for that long. I respect people that do stream for that long. But good for him. Good for what they're doing. We are in this. This is going to be the chart over here. This has been live since December 6th of 2024 over here, and they're going to be having a demo day coming, and it had a really nice pump and then a bit of a retrace and it started pumping again. Right now the market cap is at currently at 14 million. It hit a high of about 34 million. So fantastic, fine, interesting stuff being built. And again, this is the project over here. Co-founder is this gentleman, Addy, Afan, and then Addy again. But basically it's managed by Addy. This is a contract address, and they're going to be doing some really cool stuff with AI agents and whatnot. And again, I've told you guys, pay attention to AI agents. You don't have to ape into this stuff, but see what they're building, and just kind of see what's happening. Okay. Because if you don't, you're going to end up missing out. Also too, this is another project that we talked about, Dow Jones AI average. But this is something that we had talked about as well. So basically they get in early and they vet projects, so you don't have to, but you still need to. And it is a little bit helpful, especially like a lot of us, myself, I haven't had time to be in the trenches at all. I'm not even really doing a whole lot of it. Like, I talk with my team about most of these things, but it's a really, really great thing over there. And then this is going to be DJAI, shout out to them. Taking a look at the market cap, everything is looking good. This is another project that we had talked about before on the channel. But DAOs.fund is a really great tool. Really, 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 really great tool. And again, we do like to use DJAI. We do like to use Define because it has a more concise way to look at market cap. This thing pumped like crazy and then it dropped and now it's dropping again. So I would watch this. I would pay attention to it. I'm not telling you to ape in any of this stuff. Again, you guys, could be incredibly risky. But if you made a moon bag when we first called it, you're doing well. Anything else I'm missing on that? Oh yeah. Also the DAOs.fund page, like all you have to do is just go to assets under management. to see what's going on and what they're holding and whatnot. It's a really great tool in my opinion. And again, AI is going to be dope. Really, really dope. Next is going to be TOPKEK Capital. TOPKEK Capital. This one is kind of similar to the Dow Jones DAO, but is also building a whitelist raffle platform. And then this is going to be their page over here. The market cap is currently at a $2 million market cap. And again, I don't plug my wallets into any of these things while I'm streaming because it's bad OPSEC. I know other people do. Good for them. Happy for them. It's just not something I feel comfortable doing. But again, as far as price action goes, these are all the dev buys over here. But it looks like we had a nice move up and then we're kind of dropping down. Market cap is currently 2.57 million. And again, you guys keep in mind that like the Dow treasuries, when those grow, so do their value. And then also watch for DAOs run by AI managers because that's going to be coming soon. So basically we're talking about projects being run by AI managers. It's basically AI that's programmed, that's set up so it does different tasks and things without humans intervening. And that kind of takes out the emotional part of trading and investing. Because again, trading and investing is extremely, extremely, extremely emotional. Very, very emotional. And most people lose money because we're emotional creatures, men and women. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. But at the end of the day, it's AI agents are going to take a lot of that out. And I think that a lot of people are going to be able to make a lot more money with the right AI agents. That's just my personal opinion. Also, big shout out to Silent Swap. They are a channel partner. Oh, more channel members are here. Shout out to Alpha Gamer. Shout out to Greece. Good morning to Mr. John Germain, one of my buddies from the beginning. Gamer said 8 more days until we get new pro-Bitcoin government and the anti-army gets kicked out and replaced with people who hold Bitcoin. Love to see it. We're going to talk more about that tomorrow, though, primarily because there's some things I have to say about that. But anyways, as far as Bitcoin goes this week, I am anticipating us to kind of go sideways a little bit more. And that's not a bad thing, but this is kind of what I'm envisioning this week. I'm envisioning more. And again, I'm just an entertainer. I'm an idiot on the internet. I'm envisioning us to go sideways and then get a God tier pump, hopefully when Trump comes into office. So I don't know. This is a pretty nice range. And I do like this price action with altcoins because I'm picking up more things that I see fit to and whatnot. But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to do a little short stream today because I try to make content for you every day. My mind is kind of all over the place because of all the insanity happening. And yes, it is true that people are setting fires out here. 2 fires were set near my house last night. Totally fun stuff. So anyways, sending everybody love and light. Please be safe. Please be kind. Also, big shout out to Silent Swap, SQUIDGROW. If you need a DEX, they have a great service. I have 10% off of fees. So you save on fees and it's a privacy DEX. So you can go ahead and then you can go ahead and use that. I don't make anything off of the ref link. Someone says, do you like the way White Rock is going? So the way I invest in risky projects or even projects I have conviction in, I do my due diligence. I put in disposable income. Once the number goes up, I make a moon bag. I just don't hold on to this stuff long term unless it's a moon bag. So I remove all my risk. Always do that. Every single project, always do that for. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Sending you all love and light. I'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. PST. Bye. Bye, babies.